Do you want to exercise, but you do not know where to start? This video shows easy exercise English with real conversations for beginners. Watch and learn step by step.
Hello, Lena. Today I would like to talk with you about exercise and how beginners can start easily.
Hello, Tom. I am glad to talk about this because I want to exercise, but I often feel unsure.
Many beginners feel unsure at first, so you are not alone in feeling this way.
That makes me feel better because I sometimes think I am the only one.
You are definitely not alone, and starting small is the best way to begin exercising.
When you say start small, do you mean easy exercise like walking?
Yes, walking is one of the easiest and safest exercises for beginners.
I like walking because it does not feel scary or difficult.
That is exactly why walking is a good choice when someone is new to exercise.
Sometimes I feel tired after work and I worry I have no energy.
Feeling tired is normal, but light exercise can actually give you more energy.
That sounds interesting because I always thought exercise makes people more tired.
Hard exercise can be tiring, but gentle exercise helps your body wake up slowly.
I like the idea of gentle exercise because I do not want to push myself too much.
Listening to your body is very important, especially when you are just starting.
Tom, where do you think is the best place to exercise for beginners like me?
I think a park or a quiet street is a great place because it feels calm and open.
I enjoy being outside because fresh air helps me relax.
Fresh air can help both your body and your mind feel better.
Do you think morning is a good time to exercise?
Morning is a good time because your mind feels fresh and the weather is cooler.
I usually wake up early, so morning exercise sounds possible for me.
That is great because choosing the right time makes exercise easier to continue.
I want exercise to become a habit, not something I quit quickly.
Building a habit takes time, but small daily actions work very well.
I like the idea of doing something small every day.
Even 10 minutes of movement each day can make a big difference.
10 minutes sounds easy and not stressful.
When exercise feels easy, you are more likely to continue.
That makes a lot of sense to me.
Before exercising, it is important to warm up your body slowly.
I often skip warming up because I do not understand it well.
Warming up helps your muscles prepare and helps prevent pain or injury.
I do not want to get hurt, so warming up sounds important.
Simple movements like moving your arms and legs gently are enough.
That sounds easy and safe for beginners.
After warming up, stretching helps your body feel flexible.
When I stretch, I sometimes feel tight in my legs.
That tight feeling is normal, especially for beginners.
I feel relieved to hear that it is normal.
Stretching should always be slow and calm, not fast or painful.
I will remember to go slowly and breathe.
Breathing helps your body relax during exercise.
I notice that breathing slowly makes me feel calm.
Calm exercise is very good for long-term health.
Tom, what should I do if I feel tired while exercising?
If you feel tired, you should stop, rest, and drink some water.
I sometimes feel bad when I stop because I think I should continue.
Resting is part of exercise, and it helps your body recover.
I never thought resting was part of exercise.
Many beginners think that, but rest is very important.
Drinking water also helps me feel better quickly.
Yes, water keeps your body balanced and healthy.
I feel proud when I finish even a short exercise.
Feeling proud is a good sign that you are growing.
I feel happy when I know I tried my best.
Trying your best is more important than doing a lot.
I like that way of thinking.
This mindset helps beginners stay motivated.
I feel more confident already.
After exercising, cooling down helps your body relax again.
I like cooling down because it feels peaceful.
Slow movement and deep breathing help your heart slow down.
I notice my breathing becomes normal again.
That shows your body is recovering well.
Exercise feels less scary when I understand it better.
Understanding helps reduce fear and stress.
I feel exercise is not only for the body, but also for the mind.
You are right. Exercise supports both mental and physical health.
I sleep better when I move my body during the day.
Better sleep is one of the best benefits of exercise.
I want to keep this healthy habit.
Consistency will help you see results over time.
I will continue step by step.
That is the best way to do it.
Thank you for talking with me today, Tom, because I learned a lot.
I am happy to talk with you, and I am proud of your progress.
I feel more confident about starting exercise now.
Confidence grows when you understand and practice.
I will start with walking and gentle movement.
That is a very smart choice for beginners.
I believe I can do this now.
Believing in yourself is very powerful.
I feel calm and motivated after this talk.
That makes me very happy to hear.
I look forward to exercising tomorrow.
I look forward to hearing about your progress.
Thank you for guiding me kindly.
You are always welcome.
This conversation helped me a lot.
Learning English takes time. Small steps are important. Watch our videos every day to practice listening and speaking. Subscribe now and learn English step by step.